Today, with our another tipsy banker Lukas, we will look at another forgotten classic cocktail with gin. The drink, from the beginning of the 20th century, was created by the legendary barmaid Coleman for the English actor Sir Charles Hawtrey, who allegedly came to the bar one day asking, "Coley, I am half dead. What can you do to me quite life?" The next day came again. "I'm half dead again. Give me some more of the Hanky Panky stuff." And from that moment on, the cocktail came to be called Hanky Panky. The procedure and individual ingredients can be found under the video. But Lukas is interested in how to make this drink in such a way that it meets modern trends and procedures, and above all, that it tastes good to today's guests who don't want to wait long for a cocktail. Made it easier to make a cocktail? Not quite. He paid attention to the choice of raw materials and especially to the spirit. For gin, he chose crafter's aromatic flower, which has delicate floral notes of jasmine, rose and lavender, with a light hint of citrus that adds a refreshing and light acidity. A light sweetness that balances spicy and herbal elements, creating a harmonious and pleasant balance of flavors. To do this, he combined the flowers with Amaro Montenegro, an Italian bitter liqueur with a complex and harmonious flower profile that combines herbal, citrus, and spice notes with subtle sweetness and bitterness. A little bit of orange bitters. And now comes the technique that aerates the drink and thereby connects all the ingredients it has in the containers. The technique is called rolling. It is impressive, isn't it? Lukas made a caviar from dry vermouth for the drink, which will emphasize the beauty and simplicity of the classic, which is Hanky Panky visually as well as in taste. Voila! Hanky Panky 2.0 is here.